There are moments in life and in the life of a nation when silence is no longer strength. In the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna's words to Arjun cut through the noise. When wrong rises, it must be confronted. Namaskar. My name is Roma Abhyankar. In the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, there is a powerful learning for us. Uphold what is right, not just when it's easy, but especially when it's hard. Let's expand on this a little further. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyuthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srajamyaham. Here, Sri Krishna tells Arjun that whenever there is a decline in righteousness and an increase in unrighteousness, at that time I manifest on earth. Through this shloka, Sri Krishna's take on going to war was simple. What was unjust, unrighteous, had to be remedied. He goes one step further and reiterates how necessary it is to stand up for one's own dharma. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkrutam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Sri Krishna's reasoning was straightforward: to protect the righteous, to annihilate the wicked, and to re-establish the principles of dharma, I appear on this earth age after age. What this means for us is to take a stand. If you feel that a particular situation is unwarranted or that you have been wronged, you have to remedy the situation. And in doing so, you are not to let your feelings dictate what action you must take. The countermeasure is driven by proper reasoning, with diligence, and with the objective to amend the situation. If you let your emotions, and these could be any, such as revenge, fear, displeasure, hatred, sadness, if you let these feelings define your behavior, you might end up creating more trouble for yourself. The recent turn of events have kept us on our toes. Many questions loom in our minds. The most obvious one being, is this the right thing to do? And what will happen next? Isn't this exactly what Arjun felt right before the great war, the Mahabharata? In the context of our country, India, there was infiltration and we needed to address it. To view strike or war from the angle of revenge is naive. Taking action from a place of emotion is not Sri Krishna's advice. Some steps are essential to establish righteousness. Your big takeaway? War or no war, to stand by what is right is a part of your dharma. To stand by your country, our forces, is our dharma. To protect our land, our people, that is also our dharma. It is what is expected from us. And fulfilling one's dharma is the only true way to live one's life. Dhanyavad.